are doing well. So today I come up with the virtual internship 6.0 sponsored by Infosys Springboard. So Infosys Springboard is conducting a internship that is a virtual internship, like it's a remote internship for you all guys. So in this video we will see who are the eligible candidates and who can apply, and how to complete their nomination criteria, as many of students are applying for the internship. So how to get selected for that, and how to get the internship, and what is the duration of internship, and all other things, how to register. So for registration link, I will paste the link in description box as well as comment box. Go through it, and it is a must to have the Infosys Springboard account for registering the Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 6.0. So let's get started. So if you are doing, suppose you get selected with in this virtual internship, so what is this for you? So this is the sixth edition of their internship, virtual internship. So they launch pad for aspiring enthusiasts, providing the platform for you. So you will gain the hands-on experience, practical experience, and working with Infosys is like you can add your internship in your resume. So in this internship, you will have in-depth technical knowledge, gain hands-on experience in your chosen field. Like they have a five field: data visualization, Java, Python, and other two. There is a project-based learning, as I have already attended one internship, so I can say that what is the like after post internship, they will make the 25 students team. They will assign a mentor. They will guide you through the all the process, like how to make the project, and they will assign you the different topics to make the project. So they will assign you mentor, and this is the post internship. So firstly you have to get selected for the internship. So what is the eligibility criteria? So you have must complete the 10th 12th standard or higher examination like diploma, and pursuing graduation, post graduation, or have completed graduation, but must have passed their 12th or diploma. Then commitment, they are looking for learners commitment to engaging in 8-week virtual internship. That is, this internship is for 2 months only. And then uh, who are the working professional or alumni, they can't apply for the internship, only they are getting the freshers uh, or a student for their internship. So who are is the working professional, don't apply for that. Then process for nomination, you have to apply your internship, like you have to fill a form to get the internship. So yeah, I will discuss the form in later on video. So you have to fill the form before 2nd of June. Then fill your form carefully. Self nomination cannot be changed later, so fill your form carefully. Then course completion, like you have applied the form but you have to eligible for that internship, so you have to complete your courses in your domain before 30 June. So what is the courses they provide you? You can see here. So as I selected artificial intelligence, suppose to I select AI domain, then we have to complete these courses. They have listed here all these courses you have to complete. All the courses you have to complete. Suppose I take the Angular full stack. If you click on this link, you can see what are the courses you have to complete. You have to complete this before 30th of June. Then ensure you use the same Infosys ID to nominate for the internship. Like use the same ID to fill the form as well as complete the courses. And then after that, please note that course completion doesn't guarantee shortlisting or selection for this internship due to limited slot availability. So shortlisting interns, first come first serve approach. Then for that you have to apply fast for the internship, like means don't get the late to stop for like I will think and then apply on 2nd of June. If you are seeing the video on 31st May, please apply to through it, and then already slots are like fulfilled. Then slots are like they serve first come first served approach. Then fastly apply for that. After that, how to apply? Click on this. Click here to apply. You can see how to apply. Then what is the post internship? As I said that they will create the batch of you and your batchmates. Then you have to be regular attendance in mandatory. If you want to take leaves, take prior permission from your mentor, then participate in active all session, contribute, then complete the deadlines. And for certification, there are 4 milestones. So the internship will be split into 4 milestones, 2 weeks each. An average of all 4 milestone scores will be considered to qualify of your certificate. So you have to must get your milestone perfectly, then attend the regular session and complete your project on deadline. Then you are eligible for certification, otherwise not. So there are 5 categories for applying the internship. First is AI, artificial intelligence. Second is Angular full stack, Python technology stack, Java technology stack, then data visualization. Then this is the for all. So now we will see how to fill the form. So fill up your name, then what is your technology, like which domain you want to take your internship, like AI, Java, or Python. Then select from this, then fill up your form carefully, then submit. That's it. So after registering, please check your email regularly and please complete your courses aligned with you before 30th June. Then this is for internship you have to for shortlisting, and please complete your courses as early as possible.